Question number 2. The value of quantity x has a percentage uncertainty of 2%. What is given? Delta x by x is given. Value of quantity y has a percentage uncertainty of y 4%. So delta y by y is also given. Okay. Then value of w is calculated using the values of x and y. The value of w has a percentage uncertainty of 8%. So they also given you delta w by w. What is the relationship between w, x and y? W, x and y. Okay, now what we'll do is let us calculate here. What will be the delta w by w here? So this will be equal to delta x by x plus delta y by y in this case. So what is this now? This is 2, this is 4. If I add, this will be 6%. Now if I do the same thing here, what will happen here? Delta w by w would be del 2 goes away. Okay, so therefore once again it will be the same thing, delta x plus delta y by y, so which will be once again 6% here. Now if I do this one here, what will happen? Delta, so I'll write it here, this will be delta x by x plus 2 times delta y by y, right? So which will now be, what is delta x by x? 2%, and what is delta y by y? 4. 2 into 4 is 8, so totally you get 10%. So this is also incorrect, this is also incorrect, this is also incorrect, this is also incorrect. Why? Because you should get 8%. So finally this should be your correct answer, D. If you want, you can verify it once again. You can write this as delta y by y plus 2 times delta x by x. Now what is delta y by y? 4. What is delta x by x? 2. 2 into 2 becomes 4. So final answer is 8%. So therefore D is the right answer. Okay.